We want to express the following in terms of log A, log B, and log C. If we look at this one, we can see in the first instance it's like the second law. And we're going to be splitting apart in this direction. So log AB over C will be log AB take away log C. Log AB is like this type and will become log A plus log B, and then we have minus log C. For part B, in the first instance, it's like type 1. In more general form because there's 3 parts, but we can split this apart as log A squared plus log B plus log C to the 4. This part and this part are then like this law, and we can see here that the power drops down in front, giving us 2 log A. Then we have the log B, and then the 4 drops down in front, giving us 4 log C. To split this one apart, we can see in the first instance it's like 2, so we split into log A cubed B take away log square root of C. This is like number 1, so to split this apart we get log A cubed plus log B, and then take away log root C. The square root of C is C to the power 1/2. So we have log A cubed plus log B take away log C to the power 1/2. We can then use this law to bring the powers down in front, and this gives us 3 log A plus log B take away 1/2 of log C. If we look at this one, our first step is to rewrite this as the log of 10 ABC to the power 1/2. We can then use this law to bring the 1/2 down in front, giving us 1/2 log 10 ABC. Putting the 1/2 down and opening a bracket, the log 10ABC can be split using number 1 into log 10 plus log A plus log B plus log C. And expanding the bracket, we get 1/2 of log 10 plus 1/2 of log A plus 1/2 of log B plus 1/2 of log C. Log of 10, if we have log to the base 10 of 10 and we put this as x, using our definition of logarithms, this is 10 to the x is equal to 10. And that means that x is equal to 1. We have discussed this before, that log to the base a of a is always equal to 1. Since log of 10 is 1, this is just a half, and then all the other terms remain the same. For this one here, we split initially as this law, so we'll get the log a to the 4 b squared, take away log of c times root c. This one is then a type 1, so it becomes log a to the 4 plus log of b squared, and c root c is c times c to the half. C to the 1 times c to the half is c to the 3 over 2, adding the indices. We can then use law number 3 to bring down the powers, giving us 4 log a plus 2 log b, take away 3 over 2 log c. As a final example, consider this one. It starts as a type 2, so we can split to log 100 times a cubed times b squared, take away log of the 5th root of c. The 5th root of c is c to the power 1/5. And we can split this in this form as log 100 plus log a cubed plus log b squared, and here we now have log c to the 1/5. Log 100 we've discussed before. Log to the base 10 of 100 is the same as 2, and we discussed this in the introduction to logarithms. So this is 2. Then using this, we get 3 log a and 2 log b, take away 1/5 of log c.